Hey guys, this is Kavnis. Today we are going to solve problem of the day of Leetcode, 8th August 2024. So I hope you have read the description if you are on the solution video. If you haven't tried, then I will suggest you to first try, then go for the video solution. Okay. So let me briefly explain what the problem is saying. Initially we have given this rows and columns, and starting position as well. Okay, so this is the starting position. So let's come to the matrix, this diagram. So we have to given that we have given that starting position and the rows and columns of the grid. So as in the example it is giving that 1 comma 4, so this is 1 comma 4, and we have to spirally traverse the path. Okay, so first we traverse from here, and the right direction, the bottom direction, then left direction, then up direction, then again right direction. The interesting part of this question is, if you are going out of the boundary, then you have to ignore the values, ignore the everything, but you have to maintain the continuity in the spiral path. Okay, so if you are going outside, but virtually you are traversing uh, spirally, but you haven't value outside the grid, so we are ignoring the this path, but we have to maintain the continuity as well. Okay, so let's come to our intuition part, how we build the intuition for this question. So and basically what we have to return, we have to return the vector comma vector as answer, and containing all starting to end position in the spiral direction, spiral path. Okay, so let's come to my this diagram. Okay, so in this diagram, let's assume we are starting from here, and initially we have the gap equal to 1. Gap is nothing but the how many steps we are traversing in that direction. So let's assume we are on the this position. Okay, so first of all we will traverse by 1 in the right direction and 1 by in the down direction. Okay, then we have increased the gap size, and we have traverse in the left direction by 2 difference, and then 2 at the top upside by the difference of 2. Then again we increase the gap size, and we will traverse in the right direction by the difference of 3, then down direction by the difference of 3, then increase the gap size, then traverse from right to left by the difference of 4, then uh, from bottom to top by the difference of 4. So if we are going outside, then we will ignore this, but still we have to make the continuity in the spiral path. Then we will start from this position, and we will traverse in this direction, then again this. So basically what we have to do, we have to traverse every traverse the make the path such that every cell of this grid is visit once. Okay, so I think you have got the clear picture about the problem. So here we have taken the gap. Okay, so you are saying that you can see that this is gap 1 and gap 2, so we will traverse in the left to right and right top to bottom in with the if the gap is odd. Okay, and if gap is even, then we will traversing from right to left and bottom to top. What basically we have to maintain, we have to maintain the position r. So initially r start and c star is here, so we'll update r star and c star once, then update here r star and c star, then update r star and c star here, then update r star and c star here. So we will update at the every edge of this spiral path, I can say. uh, every Okay, so let's come to the coding part. So what basically we have to do, we have built this function, that what is denoting it, it is just checking, validating our point, it is on the grid or it is outside the grid. If it is on the grid, then we will include it in the path of the answer, otherwise we'll ignore that shell. Okay, so first of all we will create the gap. As we have seen, we have gap is 1, so we will traverse from gap equal to 1 to the maximum gap it can be in the matrix. So for the safe side, we are taking the max limit of gap as 200. So I run a loop for until the gap is becoming 200. So first we will have this loop. Okay, so what we are saying, we are starting from the C start and go for gap plus C start. That means we are running this loop gap time from position C start to gap plus C start. That is basically just nothing but updating the column only, because row is same in this. Okay, so this is gap C start, this is C start plus 1, and then gap is 1, so we will stop here and update the C start here. Update the C start. So basically we have updated C star and C star here, and R star remains same, start remains same. So uh, and we will include this path only if and only if the is valid function will return the true. That means it will validate that this shell is on the path. Okay, so similarly I will run another loop. What this loop is doing, this is nothing but it will start from the R start. That means from here, because R start was not updated, and go to here. So then after this I will update this R start by R start plus cap. So after running that loop, I will come to this position, and we have updated R star C star as well. Now I will increase the gap. Here I will increase the gap. This gap is increased here. Okay, here. So from gap 1 we have increased the gap to 2. Okay, then we will run a loop from left side to right side, sorry, right side to left side, and sorry, this is the that code. So this is from right to left, and then updated the C star and C start, and then from, okay, then from this loop will traverse from bottom to top, and then again update the R star and C start, and update the R star, and we will increase the gap as well. So this is the basic, I think, simple solution that can exist for this problem. Okay, thank you.